Did you catch a glimpse of the amazing total solar eclipse on April 8th? If you did, you were part of a once-in-a-lifetime experience for many. But whether you saw it live or just saw the photos online, there's so much cool science behind eclipses. So, buckle up, space cadets, because today we're diving deep into the world of eclipses.
Setting autopilot. Let's go! Let's go!
We'll explore what causes them, the different types, and some fun facts about the recent event. Let's get eclipsing. First things first, what exactly is an eclipse? An eclipse happens when one celestial body blocks the light from another, casting a shadow. The most common types involve our Sun, Moon, and Earth. In a solar eclipse, the Moon gets between the Sun and Earth, blocking the Sun's light partially or completely, depending on where you are on Earth. The recent eclipse on April 8th was a total solar eclipse, which means the Moon completely blocked the Sun's disk in a narrow path across North America. This created an amazing effect where the day turned to night for a few short minutes. There are other types of eclipses too. A lunar eclipse happens when Earth casts its shadow on the Moon. During a lunar eclipse, the Moon often takes on a reddish hue, which is why it's sometimes called a blood moon. Eclipses are pretty rare events, and they've fascinated humans for centuries. Early civilizations used them to predict the future and even mark important events on their calendars. Now, let's talk about the recent solar eclipse. This event was a big deal for skywatchers across North America. Millions of people gathered to witness this celestial spectacle, and the internet was flooded with amazing photos and videos. But why are eclipses so important? Well, for scientists, eclipses offer a unique opportunity to study the Sun's corona, which is the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere. The corona is usually too faint to see because the Sun's surface is so much brighter. But during a total solar eclipse, the corona becomes visible, allowing scientists to learn more about its composition and behavior. So there you have it. Eclipses are a truly awesome display of nature's power and a reminder of the vastness of space. If you missed the recent eclipse, don't worry. Eclipses will continue to happen throughout history. There are even websites that can tell you when and where the next eclipse will be visible from your location. So keep your eyes peeled, space enthusiasts. The next eclipse might be closer than you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stellar content about space and astronomy. Let me know in the comments below if you were lucky enough to see the recent eclipse. And if you have any space-related video topic suggestions, share those too. Thanks for watching.